The Manipuri Pony Society has emphasized the urgent need for wetland restoration to preserve the endangered Manipuri pony. At a consultative meeting on the status on sustainable and preservation of Manipuri pony held on May 21, the society highlighted the critical condition of this indigenous breed. The event was organized by the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Service in collaboration with the Manipuri Pony Society at the Veterinary Office Complex in Chanjantong. During the meeting, N. Ibungo Chaubi, a member of the Manipuri Pony Society and Joint Secretary of the Manipur Olympic Association, addressed the media. He underscored that the shrinking wetlands, the natural habitat for the ponies, have drastically reduced their population, categorizing them as an endangered species. Ibungo Chaubi pointed out that the lack of grazing grounds forces the ponies onto roads where they face accidents and food poisoning from roadside waste. The Manipuri pony, also known as Meitei Sagol, is one of the 7 recognized horse and pony breeds of India. The 2014 survey by polo riders, clubs and associations reported only about 600 ponies remaining. According to the latest livestock census of 2019, their number has dwindled to 1,089 from 1,893 in 2003. Dr. R.K. Bedajit Singh, Director of the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, called for collective efforts from all stakeholders to conserve the breed. He noted the Manipuri Pony Conservation and Development Policy 2016 and the recent allocation of 30 acres of grassy fields at Lamphel Part, Imphal West by the Manipur government as significant steps towards preservation.